old school classic, straight out of the oven. This is a tuna casserole. Tuna casserole. And instead of using peas, I think peas are what's normally put in there, or whatever type of vegetable, I use cauliflower because I had some cauliflower that was multicolored and whatever. Rainbow, actually. Rainbow with white, orange, purple, and green cauliflower florets. And I've been wanting to use it. Actually, I was going to ferment that, but I figured it probably wouldn't come out that great because of it's already pre-cooked. But anyway, so 3 cans of tuna. I got egg noodles, of course, cream of mushroom, and salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little cheese on top. So, and those, see the purple and the green, and of course there's the white florets. Yeah, it was just bubbling, but it stopped, I guess. But yeah, got an old school casserole, tuna casserole here. I plan to do a lot more casseroles this winter because I have so much, I have different, chicken, salmon, tuna, some, canned, store-bought canned as well as regular. So I want to get those put in some dish, casseroles. I think that'll be very delicious and comforting. Back in the day in the 70s, we put potato chips on top, but I just wanted this one like this. There's more because all of it didn't fit, of course, into this. Well, not of course, but I made an extra batch. So, but I just put it in the refrigerator so that when we eat this one down, we can eat the next one. And that way I can keep busy getting things done that I need done. And I don't have to worry about meals. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Let me know if you are a tuna casserole fan. Have you made tuna casserole in a little while, or has it been a long time? Probably since the 70s or the 80s since you had a tuna casserole. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye for now. So this has cooled down and I'm getting ready to plate it now. Looks great. Look at the purple. I don't see the, well, I wouldn't be able to see the orange because of the cheese. But yeah, this is looking so nice. I do have a salad, a broccoli salad. Is it no, what is it? It's not broccoli. Let me see what it is. It's one of my favorites. Yeah, I love this. I usually make it with a citrusy mayonnaise or dressing or whatever. So it's just a broccoli, carrots, kale, Brussels sprouts, and red cabbage. I love that. And then this one recipe is so good. Like have it also with spicy peanut or something like that, or in a veggie roll or something like that. I'm gonna also make fritters from this as well. Yep, so that's dinner. Hope that you are enjoying your day and having a good dinner yourself. It smells so good. It smells just like seafood. Sometimes, well, not sometimes, but I have used my shrimp bouillon in making tuna casserole before, and it's really good. It's not really needed, but it does add a little another layer of flavor to it or whatever. But yeah, but this is perfect. It smells so good. So anyway, bon appetit. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye for now.